Hi guys, I'm Isa, and today I'm going to learn how to make a stack-based programming language using Python. So I have this main.lg file. Okay, let's just call it main. Just main. So the main file is the file containing all of the code in our programming language, to use. You need to say C is equal to open main. You say code is equal to c.read. So now I'm also going to create a stack variable. So it's going to have 10 zeros in it initially. So I'm going to say for char in code. So for each character in the code, I'm going to say if char. Oh yeah, I was going to make a position variable. Position is equal to 0. If char is equal to plus, then stack position is equal to plus equals 1. And if char is equal to minus, then stack position minus equals 1. And so if char is equal to this, then position plus equals 1. And if the character is equal to this, then position minus equals 1. So now let's open the terminal and run our code. Oh yeah, we need to add something like, so let's say if char is equal to a, then print position. No, then print stack position. If char is equal to capital N, then print /n new line. Also, print stack position. I'm gonna say n is equal to empty string, since I don't really want to have an end, So now let's say if we just write n, no, not n. So if we just write a bunch of n's, for example, this is gonna make a bunch of new lines. Oh yeah, for the n, just gonna say print nothing because it's already gonna create a new line automatically anyways. Let's say a, let's say 0. So if it says a is going to say 0, well if you say plus a, that's going to say 1. What if we say plus a, it's going to say 2. But what if we go to the next cell after saying a, that's going to say 0 because yeah, the next cell was also 0. So yeah, it works. So for example, if I go back again, then it's still gonna say 2. Let's make another thing. If char is equal to b, then print so char is equal to b, and print that's gonna print the whole stack n is equal to this thing. So let's say plus plus. That goes with next cell, then plus plus plus, next cell then plus, then the next cell plus 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 plus. So now I'm gonna say B to print the whole stack, and it's gonna print this. So it's really obvious because how we're gonna structure our code. But also, the program goes like this. The amount of spaces you put, I don't know, all the enters and stuff, and the tabs, those really matter. So the code could look however you want it to look. Well, let's make the spaces or tabs mean something, but we're not going to do that. So with your code now, go produce the exact same results. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye. Hi guys, I am Isa. If you've seen the last tutorial, you're gonna know that I made something that looks like this. So we're gonna, continue on that thing. The first improvements we're going to make is that we should make it to be able to, where's a file, not just main. So say C is equals to open main, not main, but sys.rgv1. That basically just means the argument. So if we write main, how about 2 instead? Okay, let me just print sys.rgv1. So this RGV1 is main, so it should be opening main. Yeah, let me just rename this to main. So I'm gonna put C in a variable. So I'm gonna put sys.rgv1 in the variable f is equal to sys.rgv1. So now I'm gonna open F in the read mode because I want to read the file. Anyways, so now, yeah, as I said before, you could do a bunch of stuff in it. So like we did this. Oh, I'm gonna run main.rg. Let me also go to new one before doing B. So yeah, you know what this does if you watch the tutorial. So anyways, now that I made that change, next what we're gonna do is, change the meaning of A and B. Let's change both of these to, how about P for print. This will be lowercase p because it prints 1. This won't be capital P. We're gonna keep N the same. So now I'm gonna say if char is equal to A, get position, then stack position plus equals 5. If the character is equal to B, well, then stack position plus equal to 10. And if char is equal to C, and that is on that, how about 20? If char is equal to C, that's gonna increase by 100. Okay, now how about we change this to 2, and change this to 10, and change this to, still 100. And how about 50 instead? Okay, so now if we say A here, then B do B here, then C here, and A B B C C, then A B C. So now I'm gonna print the whole array with a capital P command. So yeah, we're gonna see a bunch of numbers that are to be made. Oh yeah, let's also add a D command, if you want to add large numbers and stuff. Stack position plus equals 50 300. Oh, how about 500 instead? So now oh yeah, since the only time was in the stack, there are only so many stuff it could fit there. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna fix that later. Okay, actually, we're not gonna fix that. You'll fix it yourself. So next we're gonna do is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We're gonna represent those with the characters W for addition, Y for addition, X for subtraction, Y for multiplication, and Z for division. So for W, well then, stack position is equal to stack position plus stack, oh no, let's just say plus equals, stack position plus equals stack position minus 1. And stack position is, stack position minus 1 is set to 0. And so, now do the same thing for the others. Wait, no, actually, we're not gonna set the stack position minus 1 to 0. Instead, I'm just gonna add a command called C, the lowercase c and capital C, which makes lowercase c makes stack position to equal to 0. The capital C makes stack position minus 1 to equal to 0. So now let's just have let's say how about we just say C. So let's print that out just in case, which makes out CP. So let's say I have C now. So I want to test out the addition. Then we're going to go to the next cell, and let's say B. So now let's print that. So it's only 10 this cell. So if we use W to add C and B, because C is in the previous cell. So now if we add them and then we print the current cell, we're gonna get a 60. So you can keep adding them if you want. It's not really adding them in the way we want to add them. Okay, actually it is. Oh wait, no, we're not even adding them, we're just printing them too much. So let's say W. We get to 260, so keep adding them. So yeah, let's try a multiplication now. Let's reload that thing and replace the W with Y. Let's try multiplication, and we got 60. No, it wasn't. Oh, I forgot to actually change these. Minus equals. So multiply equals and divide equals don't exist, sadly. So I have to do this. So now let me multiply. multiply with y. Great, so now the multiplication is working. And the division should be as well. So to divide is z. Yep, it's working. Let's also test out the clear thingy. So let's change this to y for multiplication. So then we clear it. And then we add 1. And then we make a new line. But before that we multiply it again. And then we print it out, of course. Of course, C is supposed to be used for that. Well, you're gonna need another character. Let's just use capital C here and get rid of this. I mean, it's not really that useful. Let's just seal it to capital C. So now, you got the answer. Oh, I meant to change this to equals. So now, you got the answer that we're supposed to get. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.